Toyota's Panoramic View Monitor, or PVM, is an advanced camera system that provides drivers with a comprehensive view around their vehicle for safer maneuvering. The system uses four strategically positioned wide-angle cameras to capture every angle around your vehicle. These cameras work together to create a bird's-eye view that helps eliminate blind spots. Here's what the system looks like in action. The dashboard display shows both the rear camera view and the panoramic top-down perspective, giving drivers complete situational awareness. The automatic activation feature makes the system even more convenient by triggering the panoramic view when you need it most, without requiring manual input from the driver. The system automatically activates in three key scenarios: when you shift into reverse gear, during low-speed maneuvering below 6 miles per hour, and when using Toyota's parking assist features. For 2024 and 2025 models, Toyota has integrated the Panoramic View Monitor with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, bringing enhanced AI recognition and over-the-air updates for improved performance. The Panoramic View Monitor is now standard on most 2024 and newer Lexus models and premium Toyota trims. Retrofit options are also available for compatible 2020 and newer Toyota models through authorized dealers. There are two primary ways to configure your Toyota Panoramic View Monitor's automatic activation settings. The first method uses your vehicle's multi-information display. Navigate through the menu system by going to Settings, then Vehicle, then PVM Settings. From there, select Auto Activation Preferences to access all configuration options. Within the Auto Activation menu, you can adjust two key settings. First is Trigger Sensitivity, which has 3 levels: high for frequent activation, medium for balanced performance, and low for minimal activation. The second setting is Display Duration, which controls how long the panoramic view stays active. You can choose from 15, 30, or 60 seconds, or set it to continuous display until manually turned off. For 2024 and newer Toyota models, you have an additional configuration option through the Toyota Connect mobile app, which offers more advanced features. The Toyota Connect app provides remote configuration capabilities, allowing you to schedule automatic activation for specific times and locations, and even create different preference profiles for family members. The optimal settings depend on your driving environment. Urban drivers who frequently navigate tight parking spaces should use high sensitivity with extended display duration for maximum assistance. Suburban and rural drivers can use medium sensitivity with standard 30-second duration, as they typically encounter fewer complex parking situations but still benefit from automatic activation. These configuration options ensure your Panoramic View Monitor activates precisely when needed, providing the right level of assistance for your specific driving conditions and preferences.